In a dynamic workplace, preparedness is your best defense against emergencies. Today, we're going to discuss the importance of conducting regular first aid drills and assessments. Regular drills and assessments are about turning knowledge into action. So let's explore why these practices are vital for the safety and well-being of your workforce. Here are the key reasons to make them part of your safety program. So testing and reinforcing first aid skills, identifying areas for improvement and training, ensuring that equipment and supplies are up to date, building confidence in responding to emergencies, adapting to change and new risks in the workplace. Regular drills and assessments transform theory into practice, making sure your team is prepared when it matters most. It's about creating a culture of readiness and continuous improvement. Conducting regular first aid drills and assessments is not just a task, it's a commitment to safety. And because in your workplace, preparedness is the key to a safer and more resilient future.